CP or cerebral palsy is an adaptation of the association football of athletes with cerebral palsy and other neurological disorders, including stroke and traumatic brain injury. It's one of the most prominent versions of Paralympic football. Abhishek Prasad reports from the ground.
Football has the power to bring people together and to break down barriers. It is a great spectator sport that athletes with cerebral palsy get tremendous pleasure from taking part in. CP Football, one of the 7 sports included in the first edition of Khelo India Para Games, caught attention of audience. CP Football, which stands for cerebral palsy, is for athletes with cerebral palsy or acquired brain injury, and is a team sport played as a recreational activity or competitively at a club, national, regional and international level. Formerly known as Football 7-a-side, CP Football is one of the version of Paralympic football and has been part of the Paralympic Games program since 1984. Cerebral means brain-centered. Palsy signifies a lack of muscle control. Cerebral palsy is defined as a health condition affecting movement, muscle tone, reflexes and posture, primarily due to a shortage of oxygen in parts of the brain for a certain period of time at birth or very young age. It may be present from birth or acquired up to the age of 3. On the field of play, the teams consist of 7 ambulant athletes with cerebral palsy or a traumatic brain injury, ranging from classes FT1 to FT3. In total, 14 players can be listed on the team list.
Cerebral palsy, it's a neurological condition where it's happened because of the lack of oxygen when child birth. So these kids have different type of difficulties in their life and different kind of disabilities they have, which is quadriplegic, diplegic, hemiplegic. So we segregated these 3 classes in CP football. One is FT1, one is FT2, one is FT3. So FT1 we call in a very severe disability in cerebral palsy, and FT2 it's a minimal, and FT3 is more minimal disability.
Modifications to the International Football Association board laws of the game make the game exciting, giving spectators the opportunity to see the skills and team play of CP football. Some of the changes include only 7 players on the field of play, 2 halves of 30 minutes, smaller pitch and goal posts, no offside law. Throw-ins can be made by rolling the ball into play. The IFCPF, as the International Federation for CP Football, is responsible for and dedicated to the development of the game across the world. Consequently, the IFCPF is keenly focused on increasing the number of players assessing a high-quality football experience in as many countries and across as many continents as possible.
Football, globally the most popular sport, is an integral part of society. It is important that everybody gets to enjoy this beautiful sport regardless of race, color, gender or disability. These para-athletes are epitome of extreme motivation and a source of inspiration. With rock-solid determination, these specially able athletes are not just passionate but also mentally very strong. What they needed was a platform to showcase their talent, and Khelo India Para Games just worked wonders for them. With video journalist Saurabh Bakshi, this is Abhishek Prasad for DD India, New Delhi.